Just finishing this one with a bit of grated Parmesan, but we've got a lovely chicken, tomato, garlic, really simple this is. Beautiful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, we're going to start off by seasoning our chicken. Now, the chicken I'm using, I've got different chicken parts. I've got the skin on, I've got the bone in. Now, I've got about, there's a lot here. You might want to reduce this back a bit. I've got about 2 kg there. So that's about 4 pounds of chicken. Very simply, we're just going to chuck a load of stuff in there. Check this out. 2 teaspoons each, salt and pepper. 2 teaspoons oregano, or oregano as some of you call it, and paprika. Now I'm using smoked paprika. Be careful with paprika because you usually get 3 types. You get hot, which is like chili powder, sweet, or smoked. Smoked is really delicious. We've got a tablespoon here of garlic, chopped garlic. We've got 2 cups of onion, sliced, and here I've got 1 cup of olive oil. In that goes. And then you can see I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in there and give that a little mush up and coat it with all those beautiful aromatics. Okay, so I've got myself a nice large pot, pan, or whatever you want to use. Here's our lovely mixture of chicken, and we're going to put it all in. And we're going to go on a medium heat. Let me just take this glove off. Medium heat for about 6 or 7 minutes. We're going to be stirring it every now and then. So that is looking absolutely fabulous, isn't it? Chicken's on its way. Beautiful. Now, if you want, well, I'm not going to do this, but if you want, get some chopped celery in there, some carrots, some potatoes. Get them in now if you're going to do that. We're going basic today. Here I've got 135 ml of tomato paste. Basically, it's one of those small little kind of Tetra Pak things, you know. We want to go for about 5 minutes working this in and cooking it out. Very simple, this one, and very delicious. Also, think about getting some green or black olives in the mix. If you're going to do that, pop them in now. That is looking really delicious, really, really good. Okay, we're going to drop in now canned tomatoes or tinned tomatoes. There's 2 cans there. When I say a can, I mean that kind of size. Do you know what I mean? Italian plum tomatoes. What I've done is I just sort of crushed them up roughly with my hand. Very simply, we're now going to get this on a simmer, really nice and low. Get a lid on that and let it go for about 15 minutes or so. Really, really good. So happy, so easy. This works really well, by the way, with any sort of pasta. Spaghetti are the kids' favourites. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Check that for seasoning, but that is simple chicken, garlic, tomato. Fab. A little bit of chopped parsley on there, flat leaf parsley, which is wonderful. And then I'll have a little bit of Parmesan on the top. That is really good. Get your pasta on. Like I said, we're having this with spaghetti today. Any pasta works. Get that in the middle of the table. Let everyone tuck in. That is a beautiful, simple chicken, garlic, tomato. So thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.